Hi, you're welcome to Financial Freedom Hub channel, where we teach and we show you opportunities to make money online and offline. So Financial Freedom Hub is dedicated to sharing opportunities that we find that can help you make some side hustle or some side money or full-time income. So this afternoon, I want to introduce you to another opportunity we have discovered, which is very great and very lucrative and can help you. And it's in the telecommunication industry, where you know that it is an unfailing industry, a fast growing industry. There are billions of people with mobile phones, and you yourself watching this video right now, maybe you are watching it on your mobile phone or on your laptop. And if it's on the laptop, you are using data. If it's on your phone, you are using data to watch this movie, this video. It means you are using airtime or you are using data from a telecom company. So that should tell you that every day you use your telephone, you use your mobile phone, you are browsing, you are on the internet, you are making call, you are texting, etc. You are making some institution or organization rich. And so we want to introduce you to this lucrative business opportunity. It is called the Virtual AVS. Virtual AVS. And virtual means it is not physical. It is not located somewhere physical. You have to go and sit down. And then the AVS stands for Airtime Vending Software. Airtime Vending Software. So Virtual AVS stands for Virtual Airtime Vending Software. Vending means selling. To vend, to be a vendor means to be a seller of any product. But here we are talking of a specific product, airtime for mobile phones. All right, so that's what we want to introduce you to, and you should know from immediate effect that it is a lucrative industry, because any day, anytime you are making a call and calling your friends, it means they have mobile phone, and it means they use airtime, they use data to connect on the social media, etc. So you are welcome to Virtual AVS, that's Virtual Airtime Vending Software, and let's get to know what it is and familiarize ourselves with it, and then let us go inside. All right, so the value of a system lies in the use of it. If you have any system and then there are no people to use the system, no matter how powerful it is, becomes useless. So the AVS, the virtual AVS, if you don't get people to use it, people like you and I to use it, it becomes a useless system, even though it can help humanity to come out of poverty and then to solve a major problem for humanity. All right, so allow me to ask you a few simple, direct questions, and then just be honest and answer these questions as honestly as you can. Okay, so question number one: do you usually buy airtime for calling, texting, and internet bundles? Do you buy airtime? You have a mobile phone, you have a laptop. Do you buy airtime for calling, for texting, and for internet bundles? The answer definitely should be yes. If you are watching this video right now, then it means that answer should be yes, because you have a mobile phone and then you have data for internet. Okay. And then number two, do you know other people who buy airtime beside yourself? Do you know any other people who buy airtime for calling, for texting, and for internet bundle? Definitely just go to your contact list. If you open your contact list, it means all those people on your contact list fall under this category of people who buy airtime for calling, for texting, and your internet bundle. So definitely this question, the answer could be yes to almost everybody watching this video. And then the question number three: how do you buy your airtime? How do you often buy your airtime? And many of the places you buy a scratch card and you scratch and then you load the airtime. There are other places you can use your mobile money system. Depending on your country, you can use your mobile money system to buy airtime. Some people can use your bank. You can buy airtime direct from your bank account, etc., depending on the telecom companies that are in your country. And so, how do you do it? And then that is where AVS come in, virtual AVS comes in, and then you can become a seller of airtime in over 100 countries, sitting in your country without traveling to those countries, without ever knowing those countries. You can do business in over 100 countries, becoming a vendor and selling airtime in those countries in over 100 telecom companies to clients, to customers, and to partners. And that is a powerful system I am introducing you to in this video. So let's get in and see what is in it for us. Question number 4. Have you ever been paid for purchasing airtime? This is the most important question among the three. Number 1 and 3, up to 3, we saw the answers could almost be yes for everybody. Do you own a mobile phone? Do you buy airtime? Do you know other people who buy airtime? How do you buy your airtime? Now, this is the most important question. Have you ever been paid for purchasing airtime? The answer definitely is no. Sometimes telecom companies, they will give you a bonus for using a certain system. For instance, if you use your mobile money to buy MTN credit, they will give you bonus points for purchasing with that system because they want to promote that system, and so they give you some percentage of bonus points you can use for calls that have limited days, and then it will expire. But as to whether they pay you cash, I believe the answer is no. But this system is a powerful system that can help you earn money for buying airtime for yourself and for helping other people buy airtime through this system. You will be earning money anytime people buy airtime. And you know, airtime is something people cannot do without. There are people who can be hungry and their last money they will use it to buy airtime because they want to stay connected to their friends and their loved ones. And so somebody can have his last money in his pocket and he will reserve it to buy airtime. And that is how lucrative this business can be. So let's look at the virtual AVS, what it is. So virtual AVS, like we said, it is a virtual airtime vending software. It's a system that allows you to convert airtime users anywhere in the world to become your loyal customers, earning you passive income. Take note of that. It is a system that allows you to convert airtime users anywhere in the world to become your loyal customers, earning you passive income. Virtual AVS is a distinguished world-class airtime vending software designed to give millions of airtime users globally an opportunity to earn from the ever-expanding telecommunication industry. And the telecommunication industry is fast growing and expanding every day in every country. Virtual AVS gives you a platform to monetize one of the fastest moving customer products in the world, and that is airtime and data. As a matter of fact, it is the fastest moving customer product in the world today, even more than water and food, because there are people who have mobile phones and they buy airtime and they don't have potable water in their community, but there are people in that community that own phones and they buy airtime. It means telecom companies make money in those communities, even when the people don't have basic amenities of life. All right, so virtual AVS, global airtime business. So with global AVS, you can enter a global airtime business. Like I said, in over 100 countries, you can be doing business sitting in your own little corner in your country without traveling, without having a shop, but virtual. So it means it's digital and then it is not at a physical location. The greatest opportunity in MLM, and that opens us to that other industry called MLM, where you can refer people and then they buy airtime and then you earn, and they can also buy licenses to operate the business and you can earn from that as well. So a gold mine for the smartphone world. So virtual AVS is a gold mine for the smartphone and telecom industry for you and I. This is just some statistics about network marketing. Just look at it and then go through it. The World Bank and Africa Development Bank reports in 2013, May 2013, as at 2013, there were over 650 million mobile users in Africa. That was 2013. We are in 2021. That is about 8 years down the lane. By now, we should cross 1 billion mobile phone users in Africa alone. In some African countries, more people have access to mobile phone than clean water bank account or electricity. I remember there was a time people have only mobile phone, they don't have electricity to charge their phone. So you have a public place where they go to charge their phones at a fee. So you can imagine a system where you have access or people have access to mobile phone. It means they buy data and they buy airtime. That is how lucrative this business can be. So just listen, open your eyes and watch to the end and understand this concept and take advantage. Telecom statistics, mobile phone airtime spending. By 2020, wireless telecom services are expected to generate more than 900 billion US dollars in revenues. So this is what the airtime spending or airtime revenue is supposed to be. By 2020, it is expected that telecom companies will generate in accumulation 900 billion US dollars in revenue just for airtime alone. The telecom service industry, which includes both fixed and wireless services, is a $1 trillion industry. Global telecom spending is hovering at 1.44 trillion US dollars as of 2019. We are in 2021. That should tell you that the figures are growing by now. So join us at the dining table. There are 5.16 billion unique mobile phone users in the world. When you take the whole world population, over 5.16 billion people have access to mobile phones. What does it tell you? It means data and airtime will be flying to this over 5 billion users. Now, so what are the requirements for you to get started with the virtual AVS? So take note, these are the requirements to get started. You need a license to operate, and the license costs $59. And the license lasts 24 months. That's 2 years. So you buy the license for $59 and you can use it to operate your business for 2 years. And after that, you renew your license. And I believe by the time you refer even 5 people, you would have recovered your license fee already from the license commission alone. So that is it. License fee is $59. When you translate, you convert it to Ghana cedis, it's just about 343 Ghana cedis, depending on the exchange rate at any moment. It can be higher, it can be lower, but standard $59. So what you do is you download the Virtual AVS app from Play Store, that's Google Play Store, and sign up for a free account. So you just download the AVS app and then you install it, and then you pay your $59 for a user license to enjoy the services and the quality of commission. So if you want to be a business partner, then you can buy the license and then you activate your account and open up the opportunity for that. Start loading airtime using Virtual AVS. Now, we used to buy airtime by scratch card and then by our mobile money and then by our bank accounts. But now you use the AVS to be buying your own airtime and data for yourself and your friends and your loved ones. And whilst you are doing that, you'll be earning commission on the data you buy or the airtime you buy for your personal use. And then if you refer other people and then you encourage them to use the AVS to purchase airtime and data, you will be earning commission. Okay. It covers hundreds of mobile operators in more than 100 countries worldwide. So that is the vast nature of this opportunity. It covers over 100 mobile operators. So not the 4 or 5 mobile operators in your country alone, but over 100 mobile operators in over 100 countries worldwide. Minimum monthly cumulative airtime you are supposed to buy and use is $10 in order to qualify for commissions. It means you should have purchased at least $10 worth of airtime to use for yourself or to share with others in order to qualify for commissions. Recommend the Virtual AVS system to friends, relatives, and strangers and earn huge profits from our world-class proven system. So you can just be a customer and be buying the airtime and you'll be earning commission. Refer other people to buy airtime and you'll be earning commission. You can also refer people to also become business operators with the $59 and then you earn commission from that one as well. So it is a huge business opportunity, that you don't need to go and sit by the roadside with a table and umbrella to be selling airtime, but you use the virtual platform and you can sell airtime in any country that is covered in this virtual platform. Okay, so there are two channels of income. Number one, the license commission, and then number two, airtime commission. It means you can earn money when people purchase the license. If you refer them and they refer others and you build a team, this is one channel of earning. You earn commission from the license purchase, and then you also earn commission from the airtime purchase. Anytime the customers and then the partners purchase airtime, and then their teams purchase, you will be earning commissions. All right. So let's look at it, how it looks like. So the license commission, and interestingly, it has up to 15 levels down, or 15 generations, and it is a 5 by 15 matrix. So you have 5, then multiples of 5, up to 15 levels. So the first level is 5, and then the second level will be times 5, which will be 25. The third level will be times 5, which will be 125. The fourth level will be times 5, which will be 625. And then it continues like that. All right, so this is how the license commission looks like. The first level, the first 5 people you bring in, when they register and then they purchase the license at $59, you will earn $10 for each of the 5. You get it? And then those 5 people, each of them also bring 5 partners each, giving you 25 partners. You will earn $4 from each of the 25. That gives you $100. You add to your $50, that is $150. And you have already recovered your license fee you have paid for the next 2 years. You have recovered it for the first 25 plus 5 people, 30 people. And then all the people who join at the level 3 to level 8, you will earn $2 from each of them. We'll be looking at the figures very soon. And then from level 9 to level 15, or generation 15, you earn $1. These are huge figures you are looking at. And you don't need to refer all these people. All you need to is to get 5 people. Those 5 people also get their people. You can get as many as you want, more than 5, but the minimum is 5. And then you begin to build your team. And these are the fascinating figures you will be earning. This is crazy, man. This is crazy, very lucrative. And then the airtime commission, this is the second channel of earning. When you purchase airtime for your own use, you will earn 0.5% of the airtime you use for the period. If it's a month, you will earn 0.5% of the total airtime you purchase over the period. Now look at it. Anytime you load over and above $20, you will earn 5% instead of the 0.5%. So if you load up to $20 or more than $20 in a month, it means you will be earning more than the 0.05. It means you'll be earning 5% of the amount you load once your loaded amount is more than 20. If this is a single load, it means you will earn 5%. If you make another load again, you will earn 5% once it is 20 and above. All right, so that is the airtime commission. And then you have the customer pursuit strategy, so you can recruit customers, people who don't want to do the business or to be vendors or selling. They just want to be buying their credit or their airtime for personal use. You can get customers like that. So you don't need to become a partner. You can just become a customer, and then you'll be buying your airtime for your own use, and then you'll be earning commission on the purchase of yourself. And then you can also get corporate accounts, corporate organizations, and then they can register, and then they will buy their airtime in bulk for their members and then their employees of the organization. All right, so let's move on quickly. So airtime commission, customer purchase, from customer purchases, airtime purchases from your personal customers and team customers. All right, so 4%. If you yourself, you purchase, let's say you are a customer, you are not a partner, and then you are just a customer. If you purchase airtime, you will earn 4% on the airtime you purchase. And then if you bring other customers who also purchase airtime, for each of the persons you bring directly or your team members bring, you will earn 0.1% on all their airtime purchases up to 15 generations or 15 levels. So the person you bring, the person he brings, the person that person bring, up to 15 levels, you will earn 0.1 on all the airtime they purchase. And what you purchase yourself as a customer, you will earn 4% on that. Okay, so this is how the sales force growth looks like. So you are at the top here, and then you get 5 people. Each of the 5 people bring 5 people each. That is 25. Each of those people bring 5 people each. That's 125, 625, and then your team is growing exponentially by the multiples of 5, like that. Now let's look at the commission projection for the 2 channels of earning. The commission projection. So the license commission per level. All right, so the first level is 5 people. And then we said you earn $10 for each of those 5 people. So that will give you $50. And then the second level will be 25 people. And then the commission you earn there is $4. So you multiply by 25, that gives you $100. And then the third level is 125 people. And the commission there is $2. So multiply by 125, you get $250. And then it continues like that, 625. We said up to level 8. So level 3 to level 8 is $2 each. So just multiply all the numbers that will be at that level by 222, and that will give you the expected earnings for each of those levels just for the license commission. So let's say you are able to get 5 people, each of the 5 people get 5, and then the team is growing up. All of us become business partners, and we are all vending, and we are all selling the airtime, and then we are all registered partners, and everybody pays their license fee. These are the amounts you will be earning. Very staggering figures. Up to the 10 level, you can see the figures here. You are into millions already. As a matter of fact, you enter millions at level 9 with these numbers. But if you sum all these ones, you would have entered a million at level 8 already. And up is up to level 15. So those are crazy figures. So it is not only in your town, it's not only in your country, it can be globally. Like I told you, over 100 countries are covered in this software. So out of those 100 plus countries, you can get partners around the world, around the clock, and then you begin to blow your business up. And then the airtime commission, this is the projection as well. So the 0.4% for, let's say, the people are using $20 each. So the 5 people, each of them purchases $20 a month. And so you multiply by 5, that gives you $100. And then the 0.4%, that gives you the figure, and then etc. like that. So that is the projection of airtime commission: $2, $10, $50, $250, 1,250, 6,250, and then it continues like that up to level 15. And this is not your effort, it's a team effort. Some of the people, you will not know them, they are in other countries, but they use your link to register. And then those people you register, they use their link to register to join. And then cumulatively, you will be earning and getting your earnings and then your commissions just like that. So commission projection, that's the total license commission per month, per level, sorry, and then monthly airtime commission per level. So that is it. You can see it there, the summary figures there. So this one up to level 10 alone, you can earn up to 12 million. And then this one up to level 10, you could be earning 448,000 per period in the airtime commission. So this is the license commission, and this is the airtime commission. So that is an opportunity that is ahead of you. Airtime commission from customers. So what we have looked at is the partners, people who join as business partners. These are the customers, those who just want to be consuming the product, that is the airtime and data, and they have no business with the registration and the license. And so you can see that the percentages are different, and this is what you can earn from those people. So let's say each of these people is purchasing $10, and then you multiply, you get 50 of them. That is what you will earn, and then those are the figures. So these are the projections. You can look at them, and you can see that even if you have up to level 6 or level 7, you are already in good business every month. If every month you are earning $7,000, and then you add all these ones to it, and that will give you about $8,000 or $9,000 a month, you can solve a lot of problems, man. All right, so the success steps. Number one, sign up. Download the app from the Play Store, the Virtual AVS, and then pay your 59 USD for the license. Number two, recommend. Number three, load airtime. So sign up, recommend. Recommend means refer friends and earn commission from airtime they spend. And then number three, load airtime. Load and sell airtime worth at least $10 to qualify for commission. So you can load airtime up to $10 and you can sell that airtime. And then once you sell up to $10 or load up to $10 for your own use or to sell to other people, you are in business and then you begin to earn commission. Okay, so these are the steps you have to follow. Somebody may send you a referral link, and so once you go there, you download the Virtual AVS. This is how it looks. This is the logo. So go to the Google Play Store and then search for the Virtual AVS app, and then you will see this, and then you click on install, and then you install it. Once you install it, then you click on, if you have an account already, this is what it is. You will enter your email and your password and then you log in. But if you don't have an account, then you click on register, okay, on this platform or on this page. Then you click on register. Once you click on register, it will bring you to this form here. Then you enter your username, your first name, and your last name, and then make sure you change the country. It will give you a default country, which is Kenya here. So you enter your country. I am in Ghana, so I will enter Ghana as my country. And then when I come here, you click on it and change it to Ghana number. And then you enter your phone number. So you select Ghana. The drop-down list will come, and then you choose your country of residence. Either Nigeria, you are Kenya, you are Tanzania, you are Zambia. You choose it. And then your country code will come. And then you enter your phone number. And then you enter your email. Email is very important because your confirmations and the codes will be sent to your email. So make sure you use an email you have access to. And then here, your UPLINE phone number. For the purposes of commission, you enter your UPLINER. So the UPLINER will give you their phone number and their country. You select the country. So the country may be different from your country. If your UPLINER is from a different country, you select the country of your UPLINER. Let's say my UPLINER is in, let's say Nigeria. So I select Nigeria and the country code will come. And then I put in my UPLINER's phone number here. And then my password, confirm the password, and then click sign up. And then you are signed up. Okay, once you are signed up, you go to the next step, and then you will see it there. So this is how it looks like. That's the sign up page we just talked about. So you have changed it, and now you can see the information. Your username is there, your first name, your last name, your country. You have changed your country code, your name, your phone number, your email, and then the country of your UPLINER, and then the phone number of your UPLINER is there, your password, and then confirm your password, and you sign up. Once you sign up, and then you can now do your payments. Okay, so this is the payment. If you sign up, what you will see is you will see only these four apps here. You will see just these four icons: the buy service, the sell service, and then the announcement, and then the wallet. It will not be registered. It will be the AVS wallet. So just at the four you will see. You will not see these other ones because you have not upgraded with a license for you to be a vendor. So you will not see the sign up, register a member, commissions, and team. You won't see those ones until you have upgraded your account. All right, so here you check your address for your one-time password, and then you activate your account. And once that is activated, you will see those four icons there, and then you can log in, and then you can check. And then the next thing is you can go to buy service if you want to upgrade your license. So you just go to buy service, and then you proceed, and then you purchase. So buy service, and then you to buy service, and then you can just pay your license fee, and then You can do your registration, you can sign up, you can get a link, a sign up link, and send to people you want to sign up, or you can register them directly using this form here. All right, so basically that is how it is. Commission payments. Okay, so commission can be paid as P2P sending. So you can send to a person who needs the wallet to purchase a license or to buy airtime. You can send, and then you can also use your wallet to buy airtime and licenses to register and activate other people. And then the third way is you can withdraw through your Bitcoin. Okay, so these are the three ways of payment. P2P, you can use it to buy airtime and licenses for other people and take cash from them. And then you can also withdraw to your Bitcoin wallet. So basically, that is how it is, and that is what you do. And so thank you for watching. Take action now. That is the most important thing. It is one thing to be presented with an opportunity. It is a different thing to take action. And sometimes this is where many of us linger and we delay, and then until we lose the confidence, we lose the momentum and the passion for the thing. But just take action. I think $59 is not much for you to start a business that can take you to over 100 countries, and you can be doing business in over 100 countries virtually, and you can make money. If you are a serious person, within 1 week, you can recover your license fee, and the license lasts for 2 years, 24 months, after which you have to renew it again, by which time you would have made enough profit, and then you can easily renew it. So I'll be making subsequent videos and then be showing you the details, individual details in the back office, how to do the various things in the back office. Thanks for watching. Take action. Go to the description section of this video, and then I'm going to put the specific information there. If you want to register, I'll put information there. I'll put my contact number there. Contact me on WhatsApp and let us talk further, and let me guide you, hold your hands, and let's build this business together. Thanks for watching. I'll see you inside. God bless you.